Hello family, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Ngugo Sharon. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to curl the ends of your braids. So for this particular video, we are going to be working with the jungle braids that I made in my previous video. And please go and check it out. It's a very good video if you are a beginner in making jungle braids. So guys, as you can see, our braids, I'm not showing you how the ends of our braids look. They just look normal, as you can see right now. So guys, I'm just going to show you guys how to curl the ends of your braids at home really easily. So right now I'm just holding a string or a yarn, whichever one you want to call it. So I'm just going to cut it. I'm just going to cut. I'm sorry about that. I meant I'm just going to cut the yarn that you're going to be working with. So guys, I already turned off my camera for a little while and started to work with some of the braids. So guys, I'm just going to be counting 10 braids, and then all I'm going to do is to hold the part that I braided normally after pinching some hair out while making the jungle braids. So that part that ended the jungle braids, that's where I'm going to begin. So I'm just going to roll my string or my yarn around right there like that to secure it tightly. And then all I'm going to do is to move my yarn around as shown in the video to make something looking like something spiral. I hope that's the correct word for it. Something spiral. So guys, the spiral just needs to be loose. You don't have to tighten it so much. So guys, after that, I hope you can see what I meant by making that spiral thingy-majiggy. And then all we are going to do is to pull that string or yarn as shown in the video. So I'm just going to be pulling the string as I push the braiding hair or our jungle braids back as shown in the video. And then I'm going to continue rolling around my yarn as shown in the video to just make sure all the end of my braid is, I'm sorry, I meant to make sure I finished rolling the yarn around all the end of my jungle braids. I'm sorry. And then I'm going to pull my string again. So guys, you have to be careful while doing this. That string, when you tighten it, it can cut you. So you have to be careful. So after doing that, I'm just going to secure the string again at the end of my braiding hair. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm just showing you now our braiding at the end of our jungle braid will form something spiral. So right now all I'm going to do is to cut the extra yarn, and then I'm just going to secure it tightly to make sure it doesn't unravel. I think that's the word for it, guys. You have to secure it, and as you can see, there we go. That's what we have. So guys, I'm just going to repeat the process with some more braids so you can see clearly what I did in the video. So I'll leave it to watch that and I'll be right back. guys, I'm back, and after a while I did all the braids, and as you can see, I'm only remaining with 10 of them again, 10 of my jungle braids. So guys, I'm just going to clearly show you again how I did this curling your braids at home really easily. So I'm just going to repeat that real quick. I'm just going to speed the video up so it doesn't have to be really long. So guys, as you can see, I'm now just pulling my string up, and then I'm just going to roll my yarn around my braiding hair again as shown in the video, and then I'm now just securing the hen. So guys, this is what I did for all the braids that you've seen I've secured right there. So guys, I'll leave it to watch me for a little while, and I'll be right back. Guys, again I'm back, and I've just finished rolling the last of our braiding hair. So right now I have my bucket right there, that blue bucket that you can see. All I'm going to do is to pour some hot water, really hot water that's really boiled, and then I'm going to add my braids to that bucket that I have. So guys, after that, all I'm going to do is to make sure that my braids are really inside that hot water, are submerged inside that hot water. I don't know guys if that's the right word for it. I'm not so good at explaining things. So I'll just leave my braids to sit there for a little while, and then I'm going to remove them like 10 to 20 minutes, or you can leave them for 1 hour, it depends. So after that guys, all I'm going to do right now, what I'm doing is just removing the yarn from my braids. So guys, you have to be careful not to cut your braids, especially when you are working the scissor. So I speeded this part of the video, but right now I'm just showing you, I'm just unraveling our curls, and they look really good. I love doing this video guys, and you have to try this. So as you can see, here are our curls. So I leave you to watch me unravel more curls, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back, and after a while I already unraveled all our braids, our jungle braids, and as you can see, that's how the ends of our jungle braids look. So all I'm now doing is just cutting the excess hair, those sticky hair that always stick out. I don't know if you can understand what I mean by that, but I'm just cutting the extra hair that didn't curl are on the ends of my braids as shown in the video. So again, I speeded this part of the video so the video doesn't have to be really long. And guys, I did speed it up so much because I didn't want our video to be really short. People have been complaining about my videos rushing me rushing my videos. I'm sorry about that. So as you can see, that's how our curls end. So guys, all you have to do is just to hang your hair out so it hair dries. That's all I did. So guys, right now I'm going to be showing you is just how to make your hair look like bundles, like how you will buy this hair on the salon or wherever you buy your hair. So as you can see, I already worked on that other one there. So all I did was just to make like 25 braids. That's, I think, then the good number of braids that you'll buy, that you'll find in a packet while buying these jungle braids. So I just rolled it as I am doing right now around my hand to form something like a bundle. So I'll leave you to watch me roll my hair for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back, and after you reach the end of your bundle like that, you just have to fold that little part that's sticking out so that your bundles, that your braiding hair doesn't leave the bundle. I don't know if that's the right word for it, but guys, as you can see, that's our bundle right there, and it's looking really good, guys. I love doing this part of the video, and I hope you can try it. But guys, you don't have to do this part of the video. I just did it so you can see how these braids can look really good, even though they are homemade. I'm sorry. So guys, I have this golden sparkly thingy rope, so I'm just going to tie my braids as shown in the video to secure them to form our bundle. So I'll leave you to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back after a while, and as you can see, I've tied all our bundles. I did only 2 of them and they look really good, as you can see. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And I hope you try curling your hair really simple like that at home, and see you in my next video. Bye.